Want to know the laziest way to make money online? Well, you're in the right place. In the digital age we're living in, making money online is no longer a far-fetched dream, but a reality for many. Just think about it, the world is literally at your fingertips. With just a click, you can reach thousands, if not millions, of people. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for anyone with an idea, a product, or a service to sell. Imagine, no more 9-to-5 grind, no more long commutes, and no more being confined to a cubicle. Instead, you get to choose when you work, where you work, and how you work. Whether you're lounging on a beach in Bali, sipping coffee in a quaint cafe in Paris, or just cozying up at home in your pajamas. As long as you have an internet connection, you can make money online. But the benefits don't just stop at flexibility and freedom. Making money online also has the potential to bring in a substantial income. We're not just talking about a few extra bucks to cover your Netflix subscription. We're talking serious cash. The kind of money that can give you financial independence and allow you to live the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. But don't think this is a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not. Making money online requires patience, persistence, and a lot of hard work. But the rewards, they're worth every bit of effort. So, are you ready to ditch the traditional 9-to-5 and embrace the digital economy? Are you ready to take control of your financial future and start making money online? If you're keen to learn more about this, don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to us and helps to bring you more quality content. So, is it really possible to make money online while barely lifting a finger? That's a question that's been on everyone's mind at one point or another. The internet is brimming with stories of people who've made fortunes from the comfort of their homes, promising the allure of easy money. But is it all true? Let's get one thing straight. The internet is a tool, a powerful one at that. It has opened up avenues for earning that were unthinkable a few decades ago. There are legitimate ways to make money online, and yes, some of them can be relatively easy. But that doesn't mean there's a magical money tree waiting for you to shake it. Now, let's dispel some myths. First up, the idea of instant riches. You might come across websites promising you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars a day with minimal effort. While it's not impossible to reach such figures, it's not the norm. Earning substantial income online requires time, effort, and in many cases, an initial investment. Second, the myth that making money online is a lazy way to earn. It's true that you might not need to commute or adhere to a strict 9-to-5 schedule, but that doesn't mean you won't be working hard. In fact, building an online business or side hustle often requires more dedication and self-discipline than a traditional job. You'll need to learn new skills, keep up with industry trends, and constantly adapt to a rapidly changing digital landscape. Finally, there's the misconception that making money online is a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not. Just like any other business, online endeavors have their risks. Success isn't guaranteed, and it certainly doesn't happen overnight. So, what's the takeaway here? The internet is a goldmine, yes, but it's not without its challenges. If you're willing to put in the effort, learn, adapt, and persevere, you can carve out your piece of the digital pie. The truth is, it's possible to make money online, but it requires a smart approach. There are countless ways to earn online, but what are the laziest ones? Let's dive into this fascinating world of online money-making methods. Remember, the key here is minimal effort, maximum return. So, let's get started. First up, we have affiliate marketing. In the simplest terms, affiliate marketing is where you recommend a product or service to your audience. And if they buy it using your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's like being a middleman, but without any of the usual hassles. You don't need to create a product, manage inventory, or handle customer service. All you need to do is share and promote. Next, we've got dropshipping. This method involves setting up an online store. But here's the twist. You don't keep any products in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who fulfills orders on your behalf. When a customer buys a product from your store, you simply pass the order to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. Again, it's about removing the stress and effort of traditional retail. Then, there's the world of blogging. Now, blogging might sound like a lot of work, but hear this out. With a blog, You've got a platform to share your knowledge, opinions, or even your day-to-day experiences. And the best part? You can monetize it in several ways, through advertising, sponsored posts, selling products, or even offering services. It's about turning your passion into profit. Now let's talk about content creation. In this digital age, content is king. Whether it's creating engaging videos, captivating podcasts, or even visually appealing graphics, content creation offers a wide range of opportunities for making money online. You can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even by selling your original content. Lastly, we have online surveys. Yes, you heard it right. Companies are willing to pay for your opinions. By taking part in online surveys, you can make money just by sharing your thoughts and opinions on various topics. It's possibly the laziest way to earn online, but hey, who's judging? While these methods differ, they all offer the possibility to earn money with minimal effort. Whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks or aiming for a full-time income, these online money-making methods can pave the way to financial freedom. So why not give them a shot? After all, the world of online earning is full of opportunities just waiting to be seized. Just remember, the key to success in any of these methods is consistency and patience. So, take your time, choose the method that suits you best, and start your journey towards making money online, the lazy way. Let's take a closer look at affiliate marketing, one of the laziest ways to make money online. Now, don't let the term lazy mislead you. It's not about shirking work, but rather about smart work, where you leverage your resources and connections to earn passive income. Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You promote a product or service on your platform, which could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a social media account. When your audience makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. How much you earn depends on the product and the terms of the affiliate program. Some programs offer a flat rate per sale, while others give you a percentage of the total sale. In some cases, the earning potential is substantial. Imagine earning 10% on a $100 purchase. That's $10 for just one sale. Multiply that by hundreds or thousands of sales, and you're looking at a tidy sum. But like any other venture, affiliate marketing comes with its own set of pros and cons. On the plus side, you don't need to create a product or offer a service. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. All you need is a platform and an audience. On the downside, building that audience can take time and effort. You need to provide valuable content to attract and retain followers. You also need to choose your affiliate programs wisely. Not all programs are created equal. Some offer better commission rates and more reliable payment systems. It's also worth noting that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistent effort and a strategic approach. But once you've set up your platform and established your audience, it can be a great way to earn money passively. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money passively once everything is set up. It's a method that requires an initial investment of time and effort, but can provide a steady stream of income once you've got the ball rolling. Another lazy way to earn online is through dropshipping. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is dropshipping? Well, in essence, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. So you might be thinking, how does this work? Well, it's simpler than you might think. The process begins when the customer places an order for a product on the retailer's online store. The retailer then sends the order to their dropship supplier, who packages and ships the product directly to the customer. The retailer makes money by charging the customer a higher price than what they pay to the supplier. Now, let's talk about potential earnings. Your income as a dropshipper can vary widely based on the products you choose to sell, the profit margins you set, and your marketing abilities. However, successful dropshippers can make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. Of course, like any business model, dropshipping has its pros and cons. On the positive side, it's easy to start, requires minimal upfront investment, and you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Plus, You can sell a wide array of products without having to purchase them first. On the flip side, there can be supply chain issues, shipping complexities, and lower profit margins due to competition. Plus, you'll need to spend time researching products and suppliers to ensure they're reliable and high quality. Despite these challenges, dropshipping is a popular choice for many online entrepreneurs because it allows them to start an online store without needing to invest heavily in inventory. It's a great way to test out product ideas, learn about e-commerce, and build a business with less risk and capital. Dropshipping offers a way to earn money without handling any physical products. So if you're someone who's looking for a lazy way to make money online, dropshipping might just be the perfect fit for you. Blogging is another lazy yet effective way to earn online. Now, you might be wondering how a blog, which is essentially an online diary, can generate income. Well, the secret is in the content you produce and how you monetize it. Blogging is not just about putting your thoughts out on the internet. It's about providing value to your readers, whether that's through sharing personal experiences, providing advice, or educating them on a particular subject. The more valuable and unique your content, the more readers you will attract. And guess what? More readers mean more opportunities to earn money. So, how does a blog make money? There are several ways, but let's focus on the three most common ones. First, advertising. Once your blog has a substantial number of visitors, you can display ads on your site. These ads can be pay-per-click, where you earn money every time a visitor clicks on the ad, or pay-per-impression, where you earn a fixed amount for every 1,000 views the ad gets. Second, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service on your blog and earn a commission every time a reader makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Third, sponsored posts. Companies may pay you to write a post about their product or service. This can be a very lucrative method, especially if your blog has a large and engaged audience. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of blogging. On the positive side, blogging can be incredibly flexible. You can write about whatever you're passionate about, and you can work on it whenever you have free time. It can also be incredibly rewarding, both financially and personally. On the downside, blogging can be time-consuming, especially in the beginning when you're still building your audience. It also takes time to see financial results, as it can take months, even years, to build a blog that generates significant income. Blogs can be a great source of passive income once they gain traction. So, if you're patient, persistent, and passionate about your topic, blogging can be a lazy yet effective way to make money online. Creating content is another lazy method to make money online. Now, don't be fooled by the term lazy. It's not about being idle or inactive. Rather, it's about working smart, not hard. And in the realm of online money-making, content creation is definitely one of those smart ways to go about it. So, what is content creation? It's exactly what it sounds like, creating content. This could be anything from writing blog posts to filming YouTube videos to recording podcasts or even creating online courses. The beauty of content creation is that it's so diverse, you're bound to find a form that suits your skills and interests. Let's start with YouTube. It's not just a platform for watching funny cat videos or learning how to fix a leaky tap. It's also a goldmine for content creators. You can create a channel about anything you're passionate about. Once you've built up a following, you can start to monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Next up, podcasts. Much like YouTube, you can create a podcast about anything under the sun. The key to success here is finding a niche that you're knowledgeable and passionate about and building an audience around that. You can then monetize through sponsorships and ads. Finally, let's talk about online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge with the world and earn some money while you're at it? Websites like Udemy and Coursera make it easy to create and sell courses on any subject you can think of. One thing to remember is that while content creation can be a great way to earn money online, it does require time and effort. But with consistency, creativity, and a bit of luck, it can turn into a profitable venture. Content creation can be a fun and creative way to earn money online. So, if you've got a knack for creating engaging content and a topic you're passionate about, why not give it a go? It might just be the lazy way to make money online that you've been looking for. Last but not least, online surveys. A lazy method indeed. Let's dive right into it. Online surveys are a popular method for making money online, especially for beginners. Companies and researchers are always looking to gather data and opinions to help improve their products, services, and strategies. This is where online surveys come in. By participating in these surveys, you're essentially selling your opinion, and yes, it's absolutely legit. Getting started with online surveys is pretty straightforward. All you need is a device with internet access. There are numerous websites and apps where you can sign up, often for free, and start taking surveys. Each survey typically takes between 5 to 20 minutes to complete. The more surveys you take, the more you earn. Now, let's talk about potential income. The amount you can earn from online surveys varies. Typically, you can expect to earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. It might not sound like much, but over time, it can add up. However, remember that this method is not going to make you a millionaire overnight. It's more about earning a little extra on the side. On to the pros and cons. The benefits of online surveys are clear. They're easy to do, flexible, and require no special skills. You can do them while watching TV, during your commute, or whenever you have some spare time. However, there are some downsides. As mentioned, the pay is relatively low. Also, you may not qualify for all surveys, as some are looking for specific demographics. There's also the risk of scams, so always make sure to use reputable platforms. Despite these drawbacks, if you're looking for a lazy, low-effort way to make a bit of money online surveys could be a good fit for you. Remember, every little bit helps, and who knows, you might even find it fun. Online surveys can provide a small but steady stream of income. So, what's the verdict? Can you really make money online the lazy way? Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered in this enlightening journey. We started by unmasking the truth about making money online. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about leveraging the internet's potential to create income streams. It's achievable, but it requires a certain level of dedication and the right strategy. We then delved into the myriad of methods available to make money online. These are not one-size-fits-all solutions. Each method has its own unique set of requirements, benefits, and challenges. Our deep dive into affiliate marketing revealed how promoting products or services of other companies can result in a pretty penny. It's a game of persuasion, where your earning potential is tied to your ability to convince your audience to make a purchase. Then came dropshipping, a method that lets you sell products without ever touching the merchandise. It's the perfect solution for those who don't have a physical space to store inventory. However, it requires a keen eye for trending products and a smooth customer service operation. Our exploration into the world of blogging showed how creating engaging content can monetize your passion. Whether it's fashion, food, or finance, there's an audience out there willing to consume your content and help you generate revenue. Content creation, on the other hand, takes it a step further. This method is about creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or podcasts. It's all about transferring your knowledge or skills into a format that others can benefit from. Finally, we touched on online surveys. This method may be the simplest of all, requiring minimal effort and providing instant rewards. But remember, the payout is often proportional to the effort invested. So, what's the key takeaway? It's all about finding the method that suits your interests, skills, and lifestyle. Are you a persuasive communicator? Affiliate marketing may be your calling. Do you have an eye for trends and a knack for customer service? Dropshipping could be your ticket. Are you passionate about a certain topic? Blogging or content creation may be your path. And if you're looking for something easy and straightforward, online surveys could be the way to go. Remember, making money online isn't about taking the easy way out. It's about choosing a path that aligns with your strengths and interests, and then dedicating yourself to it. It's about turning the internet into your own personal goldmine, one click at a time. With the right method and a bit of dedication, making money online can be as easy as a lazy Sunday afternoon.